Hi, welcome to Twist Fashion. So in these difficult times, I've decided to have a little bit of a rethink. Plus, I was just flicking through. I found an old magazine yesterday, and some of the pictures really inspired me to make this goal board. I already had one up, but I've achieved quite a few of them. And actually, be careful what you wish for, because I wish for a lot more time with my kids. And teaching them, but I kind of meant after school and weekends and things. But so obviously homeschooling them at the moment. But anyway, back to the goal board. So my main thing is to be happy. That's the ultimate goal, and for my kids and family to be happy. So that's going to go in the centre of it. Then want to create a nice evening collection. I already have some bits of fashion on silk thread and my own website, Twist Fashion. And then I'm working on a swimwear collection as well. Just wait for the samples to come back, so I hope they're correct, and I like the prints and stuff. So yeah, I want to do an evening collection as well. You could, wherever your passion is, find pictures of that. Obviously, it doesn't have to be fashion. Then obviously, keeping active. I've been doing a lot of running lately. I used to go to the gym, but obviously can't at the moment. So even just walking, just getting some fresh air, if you can. I know some countries like Spain are on total lockdown. But here in the UK, you're still allowed to go out for exercise once a day. So you could walk, around the block, or try running, try sprinting, whatever takes your fancy, or cycling even. I think that's still allowed. Or do your own home workout if you can't get out. There's loads of apps and there's loads of bits on YouTube. HIIT classes. Actually, I've got my own HIIT video that I did a few years ago. I can link that below. Right, and then I've got on their holidays. I did have that on my old mood board as well. And just back to the fitness. That's more for my overall well-being. Sometimes I get a bit of anxiety, and I find just to get some fresh air and some, I just try and run it off, if you know what I mean. So that's kind of why I've been exercising more. Right, and then holidays. Yeah, I had that on my old mood board, and I try to treat the kids twice a year to a nice holiday. So this involves also some relaxation time for me, maybe a nice massage or something, and maybe going on like some girly trips, or just to get away, and some luxurious holiday outfits. Right, and then again, that's all about families being eating healthy and sharing it. It's laughter and food with friends and family. Obviously, I need to watch my alcohol intake anyway, but a few glasses here and there doesn't hurt. And then maybe my ultimate dream would be to have my own little garden office, sewing space, or just somewhere separate from the home, and that people can try on dresses, maybe even a shop. But then at the moment, people with shops, it's a bit sad, isn't it, that they've had to close. At least I can still sell online. Yeah, and then I want a nice, I'm very happy and very lucky with my home. I just need to work on keeping it tidy and organised, and so that's what this picture seems quite like luxurious and spacious and clean and tidy, and then obviously with a nice scent. so that's it really. What I haven't got on there, what I did have on my old one, is to get a play button from YouTube, but yeah, obviously still working on that, because I think you need 100,000 subscribers for that, and I'm only at I think 4,000 at the moment, which I'm very grateful for, by the way, don't get me wrong. So thank you for everyone that's subscribed. Please subscribe for more videos as well, and please like this video, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the box below. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you find it inspiring, and have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.